Balcony TV.
Welcome to Balcony TV, Johannesburg, from Skyline Gardens in the heart of Braamfontein, Johannesburg. Yes, we are here today with The Fridge. It's a bit hot, but we're with The Fridge. Guys, welcome to the Balcony TV.
Thank you, thank you.
Tell us a bit about The Fridge, Sam, and
Well,
introduce the rest of your band members.
I mean, The Fridge is a band made out of 3 people that have the style that is called Urbanscape. It's actually a new jazz band, but it's called Urbanscape, what we do.
Cool, so what have you guys been up to?
We've been playing all across Joburg, and that's just about it.
All right, Balcony TV goes out to the rest of the world in like 27 different countries. So what's your message to the rest of the world about what The Fridge is?
The Fridge is a love for music. So that's what we are, that's what we do. We love music.
Cool. What's the track you guys are going to play for us now?
We're gonna play Now and Then.
Okay, take it away.
Ya evuke kuseni intombi ihambe iyokhamanzi iphinde ibuye iphinde ihambe iyotheza inkuni nalonto kumnandi akudala phofu kumnandi nangoku nalonto intombi zakudala zazivuke ekuseni kodwa ezangoku asilali Shava nazo bonke Samnapa nata da 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 of songo bonke Samnapa mapa na da 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 Samnapa Samnapa napa mapa da da Samnapa Samnapa napa papa da da yeah inkwenkwe wawuvuka bakuvela ilanga nanandodododo uhambe uyokhaphela inkomo akwako mnandi akudala phofu kumnandi nangoku nanando amakhwenkwe akudala wayesebenza kodwa ngoku wasebenze Onohlale kunenisa onke Samnapa mapa baba na da 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 ikunenisa onke Samnapa mapa na da 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 Samnapa Samnapa na pa 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 Samnapa 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 na pa ma pa 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 I said Wow. The Fridge live from Johannesburg on Balcony TV Johannesburg. Guys, that was incredible.
Thank you. Thank you.
What's your final message to all your fans?
One love and love your music, yo. Love your music.
Alrighty, this is The Fridge live on Balcony TV Johannesburg. Catch us at the next Balcony TV Johannesburg.
Yo, this is The Fridge.
And you're on Balcony TV.
Johannesburg, yo.
Balcony TV.
Balcony TV is proudly brought to you by South Point Hospitality, Stream Mobile, and Music Mate.